Hey guys, welcome to the Daily Devo. I'm Brent, and today we're going to talk about time. Have you ever had a day where it seemed like the time just didn't move? You were stuck at work or in traffic, and no matter what you did, it seemed like it took 2 hours for just 1 hour to pass. It's on those days when you're waiting in anticipation for the day to simply end so you can get to the next or the new day. Well, in Ecclesiastes chapter 3, verse number 11, Solomon speaks about God placing in our hearts the desire to experience eternity outside of this time, the desire to see what's next or new outside of this time. Let's look at what it says. It says this: "Yet God has made everything beautiful for its own time. He has planted eternity in the human heart, but even so, people cannot see the whole scope of God's work from beginning to end." If you look at the beginning of this chapter, Solomon spends time explaining how there's an opposite time for everything in this life: a time to be born and a time to die, a time to kill and a time to heal. And he does this for 8 verses. And the truth is that sometimes you and I can get tired of these different times. And there are going to be other moments where you and I aren't even going to completely understand what's taking place in our current time in life, because life simply gets crazy. Here's the good news: these times won't last always. There's going to come a point where you and I, the believer, will get to experience time in eternity, a time where things will be amazing. But in the interim, Solomon encourages us in the next verse, verse 12, to enjoy the moments in time that are good. Here's what he says. He says in verse 12, "So I concluded, there is nothing better than to be happy and enjoy ourselves as long as we can." Here's my encouragement for you today. While things in life may not always be good, enjoy the good things in life. Again, there's going to be a day where we can enjoy a time in eternity, a brand new time. But until that day comes, enjoy the time you have today.